It is very hard to buy masks now, and many of them are quite expensive. But if we have a way to replace masks every day, isn't it good? Now let me tell you how simple it could be. First, you need to have at least one mask. No matter it's surgery mask or homemade mask. Then you may go to any pharmacy store to buy one female daily liner. Usually small or medium size will work. One pack is a few dollars and it has around 50 to 100 pieces. Fold it in half. Use a scissor to cut 2 times at the back. It could make it easier to brace. Next, tear down the protection at the back. Then you can stick it into mask. Make it look good to yourself, and you can wear it. After using it for one time, you can take daily liner off and make another new piece. You can reuse this mask with replacing daily liner inside.